Hello everyone, today I have the July 2020 Slay Glam Box. Came a little beat up. Comes in outer packaging, just took it off to start the video. Open up. Check out. Okay. The first thing I have here is a highlighter egg, and it is in Sparkle Fairy, and it's from INT, I think. That's what it looks like. I'm not going to open this probably because I probably won't be using this, but let's see. Then there is a beauty crayon in Pouty from Mercari. There's going to be a cat in the way in a second probably, or at least a cat tail. Yep. Scooch baby. And here is what it looks like. Very pretty color. It's just a twist top one. And then I have Be a Bombshell, the one stick in Hocus Pocus. Just this is what it is. Open and see what exactly this is. This is what it looks like. The packaging is kind of cheap feeling, and this is what it looks like. I guess it can be a blush stick or a lipstick, or even used as eyeshadow. It does say the one stick, so it's assuming you can use that for a lot of different things. Then there is another thing from Mercari, and it's a matte bronzer, and it's Santa Cruz. Go. This didn't come with a card this month, but a lot of boxes haven't been having cards because of COVID and such, and some just didn't have cards a lot to begin with. And this is what it looks like. Really pretty looking, very odd though also, and it looks like there's a bit of shimmer in it. And baby scooch. Yeah, I know, you want attention. I'll look up the prices in a little bit here. But anyways, now there is a eyeshadow palette from Steb, S-T-E-B, and it's a Glamour Me color eyeshadow. It's really pretty packaging. It goes like that, and it looks exactly the same. Has a nice mirror, and here are the colors. Very pretty. Lots of looks you can do. There are 9 mattes and 11 shimmers. And I'll be swatching these at a later date also. There we go. And that is everything that was in my July 2020 Slay Glam Box. So again, I will be looking up the price in a bit, and I'll get back to you guys. See ya. Bye. Okay, so I looked up the prices for the items that I got in my July 2020 Slay Glam bag. Now, some of them on the cosmetics websites, the brand's websites, they're on sale for $1. So keep that in mind. The first thing that I looked up was the Mercari Beauty Crayon in Pouty. It's this one. And these retail for $17. But one of them is on their website is a discontinued shade. Not this one. And they still have some in stock. And that one is for $1. So you can check that out if you want to. And then the matte bronzer from Mercari retails for $21. Then the INT Cosmetics highlighter egg in Sparkle Fairy. These are normally $9, but they're on sale for $1, including this one. There are 3 colors, including this one, so 2 other colors other than this one, I believe, if I remember correctly. And then the Glamour Me color eyeshadow palette by Steb retails for $29.99. And then the last thing from Be a Bombshell Cosmetics, the one stick, which is what I thought. It's a multi-stick for your eye, cheek, or lips, and this is on sale on their website, as with every other color that they have. This one's in Hocus Pocus. They're on sale for $1 on their website at the moment, but they regularly retail for $16. So, yeah. I'll add up that in a minute. I wasn't thinking to do that when I was searching up the prices, so now I'm going to just do math and see if I can actually math still. Okay, so adding everything up, if you do what they regularly retail for, it adds up to $93.99. Now, if you add up the ones that are on sale for $1 right now, not including the Mercari lip crayon, since that specific one isn't on sale for $1 at the moment, it would be $69.99 is what it'd be if you counted the ones that are on sale for what they are on sale for. So that's all I have for you guys today. In another video, I'll do swatches and such of the products. I hope y'all have a great day again. Bye.